Did someone come to you and asked you that, hey, do you want to earn money online just by sitting at home, doing nothing? And then they will be like, I have earned this much amount of money for the past few months, even in this lockdown, without doing anything, without struggling. And then they will say you just need a mobile phone and an internet connection and 2 hours a day which you need to spend. And then you will think like, this concept is so cool, you just need a mobile phone and an internet, I can afford that. But you will have a question like, is this a scam? How can we earn money for this easy work? Is this a good platform or is this bad? What if I lose money? What if it's illegal? If you have this kind of questions, then you have come to the right place. By now I'm sure that you know what I'm talking about. That is about the affiliate marketing or the so-called network marketing. So I want you to watch this video till the end, because if you're not watching it, you might have a lot of misconception and you will misunderstand a lot of stuff and you might not have a clear idea about what I'm going to say. So in today's video, I'm going to say about what exactly is this affiliate marketing or the network marketing. From the basic, how this works, how the system works, how you can earn money from this, and finally, is this good or bad for college students, or is this just a scam? So hello there, what's up people, it's me Jaya, you're watching me on the Expound. Let's get into the video. To give you a clear idea about this network marketing, let me start by giving you an example. So normally I hope you would watch TV every day. So you will watch an advertisement also in a TV. So the product owner advertises his product through television ads. Now since you see those ads, you come to know that there is a product called XYZ. So when you're going to the market, you will identify it and you will start buying the product. And you will use it. This is it. That's all. But if the product owner directly comes to you and say it to you that if you sell this product, that is, if you use this product and sell this also, you will get a commission or a profit for this much percentage. At this time, what will you do? Obviously, you will choose a second option, which is buying it and selling it and then getting a profit. This is network marketing. This is affiliate marketing. So this is all about networking. The more network you have, the more strong connections you have with the people, you get profit according to that kind of level. So I'm sure that the person who came up to you might be your friend or might be your relatives, or might be the person whom you actually know on the internet. This affiliate marketing have been drastically increasing just because of the digital marketing. Now talking about how does this work. Now also I will give you an example to make you understand. So now a person comes to you and tell you that this is a product. So if you want to be in this, if you would like to do this business, you have to sell this product. Now let's take that guy as a boss. So the boss comes to you and sell you the product for 1000 rupees. You buy a single product for 1000 rupees. Now you have the product. Now what you have to do? You have to sell the same product to 10 other people or 10 or more according to your capability. How much ever people you are able to connect, you will be able to earn that much huge money. So now the person who is buying that product from you are your customers. So now you have to tell that customer that you have to sell this product to further more people. So at this time, you become the boss. And this is how everybody starts saying that this is kind of an entrepreneur, or I'm an entrepreneur and these kind of stuff. So entrepreneur means, I think the product should be yours, the hard work, everything should be yours. It's just not about, buying others' product and then selling it. So how much ever times you sell your product to your customers, that much amount of profit you will get on your side. So this is basically affiliate marketing. Now talking about, is this marketing business a scam or not. So see, normally when you're buying a product, most of the people won't even use that. They will just literally be on selling that product. So suppose there is a course is sold by the company, you won't even study that course, but directly you will indulge in selling that course, and then getting profit out of it. So similarly, if you are selling a product such as food supplements or some facial cream or some diet products, if the product is not good, if the product is some kind of fake, then I think you will be in trouble, because nowadays people don't even use the product, they will directly start selling it. So at that point of time, if something happens to you and your customers, nobody will be there to help you, because you have willingly selected this product and you have willingly gave the money and you are selling it to further more people. At that point of time, you can get into trouble also. And another type of scam could be, there is a system called get money faster or get rich faster. So let me just ask you one question, that is there any shortcut to earn money? If there is a shortcut, I don't think that is a better way. That might be even in a negative way. But when you are getting money for the work which you didn't even do it properly, like, will that work good one? I'm sure that I will think twice or thrice before getting into this field, that I'm not doing anything but still I'm getting money. How is it possible? There might be something which people are not telling me. So I will think like that, and I will even doubt to get into that field. But if you really want to earn money, like if you're not able to run your house, if you're in a difficult situation, if you are want money for some medical stuffs, or if you want fees for your college fees, I think you can go for it, because at this point of time this will help you also. I'm not telling that every other affiliate marketing platforms are bad. I'm telling that it's not bad, but you should be so careful for it. So the main reason why people are targeting on this college student is that we are like, college students are 18, and they will know a lot. And at that point of time, if you're telling them that you can gift your parents this kind of things, you can just buy your parents an iPhone, you can gift your parents or friends this iPhone and all these stuff, so you will literally believe it, you will start believing in it, and then you will think like, okay, I can go for it. So this is the reason why they do target this kind of people. But I'm not telling you that you should just not go. If you are in need of money, if you are really interested in earning money, then only you have to go for it. Before you enter into this field, I want you to do one thing, that is, whichever company approaches you, just go to the Google and type that product name and Google scam. So if any result comes for that, like which you don't like or which is some kind of inappropriate, I think you should not enter into this field. You can even search some other company or products, but never enter that. So research thoroughly and be cautious all the time. Just because other friends or relatives are telling you, and you cannot trust them all the time. So this is all I want to tell you. I hope you have got a clear idea about this. If yes, then please do say it in the comment, and if you have any more further doubt, please feel free to mention down in the comment. I will definitely reply for it. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye.